Hello guys, welcome to Maths Tips and Tricks. Today I'll share the solution of question number 8 of exercise 12.3 chapter 12 of NCERT Exemplar with you. Let's start. The question is that two solid cones A and B are placed in a cylinder tube as shown in the figure. The ratio of their capacities are 2 is to 1. Find the heights and capacities of the cones. Also, find the volumes of the remaining portion of the cylinder. So, in this, first we have to find the ratio of their heights as the total height is 21 centimeter and the diameter is 6 centimeter. Then we have to calculate the volume of the remaining portion. Now, before starting with the solution, as I have said in my previous video, first you should make the figure about what the question is saying. So, I have made the figure and named one cone as cone A and the other as cone B. And the height of the cone A is capital H and the height of the cone B is small h. And as total height is 21 centimeter and the cone of and the total diameter of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. The diameter of both the cone is 6 centimeter as well. Now we'll start with the solution. First, write what is given in the question. Then, as we have assumed the height of cone A to be capital H and the height of cone B to be small h, the sum of the heights will be 21 centimeter as shown in the figure. So, capital H plus small h is equals to 21 centimeter. And let this be equation number 1. Writing formulas is also important. So, as the capacity and volume are same, the capacity of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cone and h is the height of the cone. Here, the capacity of cone A will be 1 by 3 pi r square into capital H, and the capacity of cone B will be 1 by 3 pi r square into small h. Now, we'll use both these formulas to solve our question further. Uh, as it is given that the capacities of the cone A and cone B are in the ratio 2 is to 1, we will write so, and the 1 by 3 pi and r square will be cancelled as 1 by 3 and pi are constant and r is same for both the cones. Now we we get that capital H by small h is equals to 2 into 1, and therefore we can say that capital H is equals to small h. Let this be equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, we can say that 2h plus h is equals to 21. Therefore, 3h is equals to 21 and h is equals to 7 centimeter. And from equation 1, we can say that capital H is equals to 21 minus small h, and as the value of small h is 7, capital H is equals to 14 centimeter. Now, as we have to find the volume of both the cones, the volume of cone A is 1 by 3 pi r square capital H. Therefore, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 14 will be the volume. So, after solving, we get that the volume of cone A is 132 centimeter cube. Similarly, the volume of cone B is 1 by 3 pi r square small h. And by solving this, we get that the volume is 66 centimeter cube. Now, to find the remaining volume, we'll use the formula that remaining volume is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone A minus volume of cone B. And as the formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h, we'll use that pi r square h minus 132 minus 166. So here 22, but after solving this, we get that the remaining volume is 396 centimeter cube. Yeah, so now we have solved the question. I hope you understood it well. If you have any doubts, contact me on my mail I have given in the description. So, thanks for watching.